Once again, I would like to thank Mr. Larry Page, no, the inventor of the Google, Ma'am Susan, the inventor of YouTube, no, for giving me this opportunity, no. Then nanako ni Bill Gates, no, for the Microsoft, again the Facebook, and the YouTube, then the Heartis Pure Care, the Yahoo, the Microsoft, and the Google, no. Again, so I'm here with Gano, no. So again, Ma'am siya, anterior kami partial tear, no. So here again. Nya karon, this is our 8 treatment sessions. So 8 treatment sessions, no. We put the hot packs and tensya. Mura gini ako ang ibalik-balik, no. Again, so here, again ang atong goal magud maabot siya sa 135. There, no. The normal range of motion is 135, no. So here, no. Ang normal range of motion is 135, no. From the Delisa ni siya, the book of Delisa from the United States of America, no. So mo ni siya normal range of motion, no. Mo na tong kwaon si mo ha para mabalik ka, no. Again, yun siya nga inaham ko sakit, no, because no gi-stretch ta naman ni kay almost 6 weeks man ni natong wa ginato gi-flex because of the result in the MRI, no. Atong ipa-recover by which lagi duhay ka possibility, tulo ka possibility ani either ang doktor sakto ba pag-read or ng doktor nag-away ba siya husband or wife or nag-problema sa pamilya. Yun ani we just only human being, no. Again, digid lalim nga masultian ka og negative by which mo na happen sa kong papa, no. Nga I don't want nga ma-happen niya po is about nga ako nga I know kung kinsa ko makontra, no. Malagi na I do this for my body are went to my mom, no. Again, thank you Mr. Bill Gates, no, for the Microsoft. Again, di kay kumayo ni computer pa ning kamot ko. May sige gaabang patag computer karon. Anyway, so thank you from the freedom, no, nahatag na ninyo ang inyong from the month of November nga earnings, no, by December 31 nahatag na ninyo. Karon ako tang gi-print out on 00 pa kay which very January to February, no, the earnings from January to February 00 pa by which ang earning ani siya January to February by which wala awa pa, no. Sa about nahatag ninyo sa November to December. Again,